For this week's showcase Brain Games, we wanted to take photocells and use them in a very non-traditional way, as touchpad buttons on a sort of tablet of a gaming console. The design is relatively simple. We used a few of our 5 and 10 count LED strips, along with 3 photocells and 10K voltage dividers. Then we taped off the electronics to keep the screen clean by painting everything white. Mixing a very small amount of white ink into the resin epoxy mixture created the translucent screen we were looking for. We then mounted a stand on the back, which held the drawing board and power supply to run the entire project. By simply hovering over or placing a finger on the pad, the user begins to step through the 5 color selections. Once all 3 colors are chosen, the program checks them against the winning combination it has selected at random. Green LEDs indicate that one of the selected colors is correct, and in the correct location, while red LEDs signify the correct color in the wrong location.
Hey, that's a start.
Once the correct sequence is achieved, the total number of guesses it took to get the answer is displayed on the screen. This made it easy for Kyle to challenge his roommate Todd to beat his score. At long last it was a real nail-biter, with a very pleasant conclusion.
What? Well played, sir.
Tied it up. Be sure to check out this week's tutorials on global variables in Arduino at dbboards.com. And as always, happy hacking.